Hello guys, sorry for this disaster or little mess, but I'm checking my leftover because I need to complete few recipes for our book, but the goal today of this video is not to show my leftover, but to ask you again your help. We are close to the publication of the publishing of our book, Homemade Beer, so we need to decide the picture. We have shoot 4 pictures, 2 with professional photographer, no, but with my wife, and it was easier to make it, and 2 by ourselves with a selfie, so it was a little bit complicated. So please help us to find the right picture for our new book that will be out in September. You can write the one that you like, the 1, the 2, the 3, or the picture number 4. And if you like, you can also write down why you prefer this picture. I will publish also this video in the shorts here on YouTube and also on Instagram and probably also on Facebook. I hope that asking to everybody, we will find the right pictures. Thank you guys for your support choosing this picture and also your support with the other 2 books, Homemade Liquors, and especially the great success of the Italian way of curing meats. Especially in the States is going like a bestseller. Okay guys, see you in a future video, probably in a beer video, so let us know down in the comment the picture that you prefer. Bye bye!